Are you a speaker in the Los Angeles area? Do you want to be a professional speaker? Are you a Toastmaster that's looking for creative ways to build your club? Well, hi, my name is Darren LaCroix, and I'm the 2001 World Champion of Public Speaking. Back then, I was fortunate enough to outspeak 25,000 contestants to become the World Champion of Public Speaking. But this isn't about me, this is about you. And what I will do to shorten your learning curve. On October 25th, I'm going to do a special program in your area at the Westchester Recreation Center. And it's called Speak Outside of Toastmasters for Fun, Profit, and Club Building. And this program is the same one I did last year at the Toastmasters International Convention. It will give you inspiration. Whether you're ready to go, whether you're already a professional speaker, you'll look at speaking a whole new way. You'll leave with ideas and something you can do right away to get started now. Not next week, not next month, not next year. And if you want to build your club, there's no better way than do it with speaking. And I'll show you exactly how to do that. I'll give you a step-by-step program that you can do from your experience. So if you're in the LA area, or if you know some speakers who are in the LA area, tell them about this special event. Darren LaCroix is coming to the Speak for the District 1 Speakers Bureau, Speak Outside of Toastmasters at the Westchester Recreation Center. They're calling me right now, so hurry up. Don't miss this event, October 25th. Be there.